Hey guys, do you love editing your photos but just don't have the time to do that? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photos in camera using the Nikon Coolpix V500. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I will show you how you can edit your photos in camera using the Nikon Coolpix V500. Now this can be true with respect to any Nikon point and shoot camera, not just the V500, and it may not match the likes of a professional post-processing software like Lightroom or Photoshop. But if you want to quickly edit your photos and upload them or send them immediately, these tips may be useful for you. And now enough talking, let's dive into the video. Editing your photos is quite easy. We go to the review button and come to the photo we want to edit. Hit OK. Here we have a ton of filters that we can use. I'll show you all of them. Press zoom in button to view them. Painting effect, wow. Press zoom out to go back. Or menu to exit. Photo illustration. Soft portrait. Damn useful for portraits obviously. Portrait black and white. Fisheye. Cross screen. And miniature effect. Let me give this fisheye effect a try. Press OK, save yes, and that's it. Another way is hitting the menu button while reviewing the photo. Here we have quick retouch. To enhance contrast and saturation, just select OK. Delighting to enhance brightness and contrast. Correcting red eye. It's not showing me now cause it will work only if my image actually has a red eye. Glamour retouch to enhance portraits. Again, this won't work here. It only works if a face is detected. So I go to this portrait and apply this here. You can simultaneously apply multiple effects here. Small face, skin softening, foundation, makeup, glare reduction, hide eye bags, big eyes, whiten eyes, eyeshadow, mascara, whiten teeth, lipstick, and redden cheeks. Press OK when you are fully done and save. If your portrait has more than one person, you will have to apply glamour retouch again. Rotate image, very useful. small picture reduces the size of the image. To crop the image, zoom in and out and set your magnification. Use the up, down, right and left buttons to set your composition. Press menu when you are done and OK to save. Another way to apply filters is to use the creative mode. Here we have a host of effects. Press OK to browse through them. Light, depth, memory gives you a slight color cast. Classic gives you an extreme color cast. Noir for black and white. Variety, selective color to show only that particular color in the image. Rest will be in black and white. We have red, green and blue. If I select red for instance, only red will show in my image. Remaining colors will be black and white. Let me select classic to show you. You can save your photo in multiple filters at the same time. Go to preview. Press OK to view all the pictures. Another way to use presets is to go to the short movie show mode. Then hit the menu, special effects. Here also we have a bunch of effects. Select the one that you like. I'll select sepia. And simply click. You can apply glamour retouch while clicking. Go to Smart Portrait mode. Press the button to the right of OK and you will have some of the options of glamour retouch here. Like skin softening, foundation makeup, soft, vividness and brightness. So guys, this is how you can edit your photos quickly using the Nikon Coolpix P500. Now I still recommend that you inculcate the habit of editing your photos in a software or an app for best results. But sometimes we may be in a hurry and we may not have access to that software immediately, so these techniques may be useful. And in case you liked my video and found it to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which app or software you use for your editing. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous P500 tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.